Got two bone stock RMAX 4s to show you the difference between stock and unique off-road products front fender flares. So there's a front shot, stock UORP, and from the rear. Stock UORP. So what a lot of people don't get is that even though you don't have the elephant ears here, this has been moved out by the nature of the design. Okay, so your stock and even though this doesn't look like it's overlapping much, this bottom portion has been moved way out, and that's where you're getting a lot of your protection. And you can see from the tire coverage. All right. Okay. So we just went on a training mission to break in our new squad's RMAXs. You can see this one. The one on the right is a lot muddier on the front because they're a little excited and going through the mud puddles, and you can see up there. This one has the unique off-road products flares, fender flares. This one's stock. Look at the side of the door and get the shadow out here. So that's the unique off-road products fender flare. Look at the mud on the rear fender there. Okay. Now look at the one without the fender flares. Okay. And look at the mud caked. Let me get out of the shadow there. So there's mud thrown on the rear fender from not having front protection. Okay. And look at the mud on the one with the unique off-road products fender flare. It's a lot cleaner. These are both identical. Stock, unique off-road products. And as I said again, you can see from the front, this one went through the mud puddles harder than this one did. So they're doing their job.